Most reading struggles don't start in school. They start when phonics is skipped or rushed. Before children can read fluently, they must hear, recognize, and understand phonic sounds clearly. That's why this book focuses on all 42 essential phonic sounds, the real building blocks of reading. Each sound is taught visually, then practiced through simple sentences, and finally reinforced with meaningful reading passages. When phonics is taught right, reading becomes smoother, faster, and more confident as children grow. This is 42 Phonics Sounds Mastery, the complete reading foundation every early reader needs.